Stop scrolling, because one daily habit could be quietly destroying your testosterone without you even realizing it. If you've been feeling tired all the time, struggling to build muscle, losing motivation, gaining stubborn belly fat, or simply not feeling like your strongest self, this video could explain why. Testosterone isn't just another hormone. It influences your energy, strength, confidence, recovery, body composition, and even your mood. Yet millions of men are unknowingly doing things every day that make their testosterone levels worse. The good news? In many cases, healthy lifestyle changes can support normal testosterone production naturally. Today, you'll learn what testosterone actually does, the common signs that it may be lower than optimal, the biggest reasons it drops, and the most effective science-backed habits to support healthy testosterone levels, without relying on shortcuts or unrealistic promises. Let's get started. What testosterone really does. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone, produced mainly in the testicles. While it's often associated with muscle and masculinity, its role goes much deeper. Healthy testosterone supports muscle growth, bone strength, healthy sex drive, sperm production, energy levels, motivation, recovery after exercise, and overall well-being. It also works alongside many other hormones in your body, meaning your health depends on balance, not simply having the highest testosterone possible. When testosterone falls below what's healthy for your body, you may notice changes that affect both your physical performance and mental focus. And here's something many people don't realize. Low testosterone doesn't always happen because of age. Poor sleep, unhealthy eating, chronic stress, lack of exercise, obesity, and certain medical conditions can all contribute, even in younger men. Common signs your testosterone may be low. Your body usually gives you clues long before you notice a major problem. One of the most common signs is constantly feeling tired despite getting enough rest. If your energy crashes throughout the day and simple tasks leave you exhausted, it's worth paying attention. Another sign is difficulty building or maintaining muscle. Even if you're working out consistently, progress may seem frustratingly slow. You might also notice increased belly fat, especially around your waist. Excess body fat can influence hormone balance, making it harder for your body to maintain healthy testosterone levels. Some men experience reduced motivation, lower confidence, difficulty concentrating, or decreased interest in intimacy. Others notice slower recovery after workouts, reduced physical performance, or feeling weaker than they used to. Morning erections can also provide useful information. While they aren't a perfect test on their own, regular morning erections generally reflect healthy blood flow and hormone function. If they become consistently absent, especially alongside other symptoms, it's worth discussing with a healthcare professional. Remember, these signs don't automatically mean your testosterone is low. Many other health conditions can cause similar symptoms. A proper medical evaluation and blood test are the best way to know for sure. Why testosterone levels are dropping. Modern lifestyles have changed dramatically. Many people spend hours sitting, sleep less than they should, eat highly processed foods, experience constant stress, and rarely get enough physical activity. Each of these habits can gradually affect hormone health. Chronic stress increases cortisol, often called the stress hormone. When cortisol remains elevated for long periods, it can interfere with normal testosterone production. Poor sleep is another major factor. Much of your daily hormone regulation happens while you're asleep. Regularly sleeping only 5 or 6 hours can significantly impact your body's ability to function at its best. Carrying excess body fat also matters. Fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase, which converts some testosterone into estrogen. This is one reason maintaining a healthy weight can support better hormonal balance. The important thing to understand is this. Your daily habits either support healthy hormone production or slowly work against it. Fortunately, the opposite is also true. Improve your lifestyle consistently, and your body often responds remarkably well. Natural ways to support healthy testosterone. Let's talk about practical solutions that actually make a difference. Prioritize high-quality protein. If you're considering supplements, speak with your healthcare provider first, especially if you already take medications or have medical conditions. Build muscle with strength training. If there were one exercise habit every man should prioritize, it would be resistance training. Compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, rows, presses, pull-ups, and lunges, stimulate your body far more effectively than isolated movements. Strength training also helps preserve muscle mass, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce body fat, and support healthy hormone function over time. Consistency matters much more than perfection. 3 to 4 quality strength sessions every week can produce incredible long-term results. Add short, high-intensity cardio. High-intensity interval training, commonly called high HIIT, combines brief periods of hard effort with recovery. For example, sprinting for about 30 seconds, followed by 1 minute of walking, repeated several times. Also can improve cardiovascular fitness, calorie burning, and overall athletic performance. However, more isn't always better. Excessive intense exercise without proper recovery may actually increase fatigue and reduce performance. Train hard, but recover even harder. Sleep, the most powerful natural booster. Here's the habit that almost everyone underestimates. Sleep. Your body performs much of its repair work while you sleep. Hormones are regulated, muscles recover, the brain resets, the immune system strengthens. Adults should generally aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. If you're constantly staying up late scrolling on your phone, don't be surprised if your workouts suffer, your focus drops, and your energy disappears. Try creating a simple bedtime routine. Dim the lights. Avoid screens before bed. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Wake up at the same time every day whenever possible. Better sleep often improves far more than just testosterone. It improves your entire life. Manage stress before it controls you. Modern stress never seems to stop. Work, school, money, social media, constant notifications. Your body wasn't designed to stay in fight or flight mode all day. Simple habits like walking outdoors, meditation, deep breathing, journaling, spending time with family, or enjoying hobbies can reduce stress and support overall health. Even 15 minutes of relaxation each day can make a noticeable difference over time. Be careful with miracle testosterone boosters. The internet is full of products promising unbelievable testosterone increases. Be skeptical. Some herbal supplements have been studied for specific health benefits, but evidence varies, and no supplement replaces proper nutrition, exercise, sleep, and medical care. If you're thinking about trying any supplement, whether it's ashwagandha, fenugreek, or other herbal products, research carefully and consult a qualified healthcare professional. Lifestyle changes should always come first. The bottom line: testosterone isn't about becoming aggressive or chasing unrealistic numbers. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to perform at its best. Eat nutritious food. Lift weights consistently. Stay active. Sleep well. Manage stress. Maintain a healthy weight. These habits won't just support healthy testosterone. They'll improve your strength, confidence, energy, focus, and long-term health. Real transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small decisions repeated every single day. If you start making those decisions today, your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share your biggest takeaway in the comments, and tell us which habit you're going to improve first. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next science-backed health and fitness video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.